The Amana Group, through its subsidiary companies Amana Contracting and Steel Buildings, Amana Pipeline Construction and Amana Industries, have been providing total solutions to the industrial and commercial construction markets across the Middle East for the last 15 years. Amana's commitment to total client satisfaction begins with its vision of becoming the preeminent leader of fast-track construction in the Gulf's industrial and commercial markets, on satisfying and retaining its clients who understand and value the element of saving time. Towards this goal, Amana introduces for the first time in the Middle East laser screeding with the ultra-fast Somero SXP. Vapor barriers, comprising of polythene sheets, are laid over the well-compacted base course. Care is taken to ensure that the sheets are properly overlapped at their edges. This is done for the whole area earmarked for casting for the day. All columns and adjacent elements are protected from wet concrete, and extra reinforcements are provided around the columns and re-entering corners. Samples of concrete are taken from each truck reaching the site. The tests are sample cubes for concrete strength, temperature, and slump. High slump is required for better workability. Steel fibre is added directly into the truck mixture and mixed thoroughly. Starting from the upper left corner of the earmarked area, concrete is poured from the truck in straight lines of 4 to 5 meters width. Then the Somero SXP Laser Screeder extends its 6-meter boom and starts levelling the concrete. After the screeding comes the topping of hardener, which is required to be spread evenly on top of the concrete. This is done mechanically to ensure an even spread. The perimeter area is attended to manually, and the sequence of activity continues line after line by dumping the concrete, levelling it and topping it with the hardener. continuous level checks are performed to ensure that the level is always 100% correct. Laser transmitters are mounted at the front end of the pouring area, and the two receivers on the machines check levels 10 times a second. A green light signals that the level is to the correct specifications. The screed head is built up from a screed beam, auger and vibrator beam. The screed beam pushes the extra concrete backwards. The auger levels the top and pushes the excess of concrete to the right-hand side, while the vibrator beam vibrates the concrete up to 40 centimeters in depth. Next comes power floating, and this is done as soon as the slabs are set to take the weight. First, it is done by walk-behind and power float machines, followed by ride-on and power floats to polish the slab. Ride-on and power floats are more efficient, faster, and achieve a better level slab. Reflection of light indicates the high quality to which the casting has been done. Masons move in once the slab is ready for cutting. Powerful saws are used to cut the slab to the specified depth, Then appropriate curing methods are applied and the slabs are covered.